welcome back or welcome if you're new here. In this video I will be making a new vision board. I made one at the beginning of the year, but I didn't really like it and it didn't really give me motivation at the end, so I will be making a new one for the next 4 months. But this time, instead of printing out photos and sticking it in a big paper, I will be doing it digitally so I can actually see it every single day when I open my iPad or phone. So let's just get started. Okay, first of all, I will be writing out every single goal I have for the next 4 months, and then I will be searching these goals in Pinterest. Afterwards, I will be making a collage in Canva. So these are just ideas to be able to search in Pinterest, and then I will be having a detailed goals list which is more private for me. So now let's just get started to search in Pinterest. So I just finished searching for every single photo. Now let's go to Canva and start making this vision board. So I think I finished my vision board. It's way smaller than before. It has like only 10 photos, and I feel like it's more nicer, good looking than the other one. I think this one will really work. I just feel it. The vision board is done. This is the result. I hope this time it really works and it gives me motivation. So yeah, I will give you updates on the results. So thank you for watching. See you on the next video.